the story for Caterpillar, is this a story of a tide lifting all boats, or is it something they've done over the last couple of years to get leaner that's really captured the imagination of some of the bulls around industrials at the moment?
Well, I really think it's a little bit of both. I don't think the tide has fully come in for Caterpillar yet, and I think they've done an extraordinary job over the past year in finally sort of attaining some of the margin potential that they're entitled to, or they should be getting. I mean, we've written that they have been in the worst revenue trend in all of history, and that they are still coming up towards normal trough volumes. And despite that, they finally got the margin, especially in construction working. So they've done a lot internally, and they've got the market coming back for them.
Robert, it's a story of really addressing what was for them a recession several years ago when we had the commodity recession and the big downturn off the back of that. So it's a leaner company. And now I ask the question whether they're really ready to address a pickup in volume that you could get in the coming quarters. Are they set up for that?
I think so. I mean, if you look at actually the 10-year history of CAT is very interesting. The last upcycle came suddenly. They didn't have enough capacity. They invested dramatically in capacity, trying to build up to 2012, and they ran into the worst revenue trend for CAT in all of history, including the Great Depression. And so if you think about that, they've restructured from there. They've taken cost out, but they still have made that investment in capacity. They've spent several years working on their production system. So all the pieces are in place. If they can execute and the revenue comes back, they should have a good chance of filling all that demand at good margins.